Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the niche and the first idea, then set minimal gear. Start with one phone on a tripod, screen capture software, and a stock clip account. Record in 9:16, aim for 15-60 seconds, and export at a stable bitrate. Once done, name files clearly and create a 10-topic batch. Make sure to storyboard one short, hook, value, call to action. This gets you producing immediately rather than planning forever. You now craft the short. Start with a 1-3-second hook that states the benefit. Record voiceover or screen capture. Keep sentences short and active. Edit tightly, trim pauses, add captions that match the speech, layer B-roll or animated text to hide the fact you're off camera. Use quick cuts every 1-3 seconds to maintain energy and insert royalty-free audio synchronized to beats. Once aligned, color grade lightly so every clip reads fast and clear on small screens. You finish by exporting MP4 at 1080x1920 using H.264 under 60 seconds and check audio levels. Upload with an action-driven title, 2-3 relevant hashtags, and a one-line CTA in the description. Pin a comment linking to playlists. Once live, monitor retention in the first 24-48 hours. If performance lags, swap the first frame, shorten the hook, or try alternate music. These small tests reveal what hooks your audience. Keep iterating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.